Hi everyone and welcome to another RC Plane Guide video and part 3 in the P-47 Topflite Giant Scale build. So as I'm going along in the build, I like to trace over all the parts that I'm taking out of the kit, which is what these pictures show here. Basically just add in as a reference point if I ever needed to build them again or replace a part, always handy. So then onto the bottom side of the fuzz, turning it over from the build part in the build station in part 2, and then fixing all the formers and everything in place on the bottom half of the fuzz, ready for sheeting it. So a similar process is getting everything lined up, making sure it's all square and straight, and then gluing it in place. Then preparing the mount for the rear undercarriage, retractable tail gear. And then fixing the tail gear in place. This is a robot unit, air retract. And it's actually now starting to look a bit more like a fuselage of a plane. Spraying the pilot there in primer, ready for some paint. In my opinion, a messy workshop is a happy workshop. But every now and again it's good to have a clean up. So attaching the tail gear supports there. And linking up all the push rod guide tubes. And gluing them in place once all been tested and make sure it's all free moving. And finally testing the air system, which is where we'll move on to part 4 to cover off a testing of that system. See you next time. And that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date on all the latest videos. And if YouTube isn't just enough, follow the link tree in my profile to find and follow all my other social media platforms. Thanks and bye for now.